Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is 10-inch MDF base in which I found the center, drew circles, created grids. The angles are marked at 45, 90 and 135. I drew some designs and kept it ready so that we can start dotting right away. I'll start with dotting in the center in white. Now I'll keep some dots in yellow. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep one more circle of yellow dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in yellow. Now I'll keep some pink dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in pink. I'll keep one more circle of pink dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in pink. Now I'll keep some white dots. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll keep some more yellow dots. Now I'll work the dots first layer in yellow. I'll work the dots second layer in yellow too. Now I'll keep two side swipes in pink. Now I'll keep straight swipes in white. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in yellow. I'll keep some pink dots now. Now I'll keep 8 straight swipes in white in every circle that I drew here. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. Now I'll work the dots in pink. I drew this design here using a stencil and I'm going to fill this design with yellow. sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.